Today we update the third New Year dish, braised prawns. This dish is very easy. You can learn it as soon as you see it. And it's so beautiful, it'll become your specialty and earn you praise from your family. Prepare 10-12 prawns, more than 300 grams in total. Cut the rostrum. Cut the legs. Telson cuts it this way. Cut open the back of the prawns from the second somo. Removing the prawns thread. Remove prawn stomach. Very easy, our prawns are done. 15 grams of ginger shredded. You only need these two ingredients for this dish. Start by frying the prawns over medium-low heat. Turn the prawns over. Tap the head of the prawns with a spatula to get the red juices out. When the shells turn white and crispy, add the ginger. 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add a half cup of water. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Sugar 2 teaspoons. Cover and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Time's up. Let's take the prawns out and plate them up. Remove the ginger. Reduce the soup over medium-low heat. Turn off the heat as soon as the soup is thick enough to dip the spatula. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper oil. Pour the soup over the prawns. The center can be decorated with any ingredient. Isn't it easy? Surprise your family with this dish in the new year.